At 5, data shows sexually transmitted disease rates have skyrocketed in Florida. We're talking about a 42% jump in the last decade. Fox 13's Ariel Placencia joins us live in our newsroom. Ariel, numbers also show the problem is right here in our backyard.
Yeah, that's right, Haley. That data shows that Hillsborough County had a much higher rate of reported STDs than the state of Florida. We're talking about 932 cases per 100,000 residents in this county alone. It represents one of the highest rates in the entire state, and local medical professionals told me they've noticed too.
Then their patients will leave a urine sample that will test for gonorrhea, chlamydia.
Nicole White oversees care at Epic Sexual Health Center.
We provide testing to the community. We do it at low-cost services.
And with locations in Tampa and St. Petersburg.
There we go. That gives us results in about 30 minutes.
The nurse practitioner says they've noticed a trend.
We are seeing an uprise in syphilis cases.
The most recent state data is from 2022 and is reflected in this map. Counties with the highest reported bacterial STD rates are in orange and red. That includes Pinellas and Polk counties, with Hillsborough County leading the way.
I think the most important reason is because of decrease in condom usage.
Online dating platforms and advanced STD screenings could be playing a role too. But here's what we can say for sure. Hillsborough County, represented by the blue line, had a much higher rate of reported STDs than the state as a whole, with 2022 numbers surpassing pre-pandemic levels.
I don't think the community understands what can happen when they're not treated.
For pregnant mothers, that can mean passing syphilis to an unborn baby. Florida saw a 47% increase in the number of congenital syphilis cases from 2021 to 2022.
So that does make me a little bit concerned. I'm hoping that people are taking their health seriously. They're going out to their healthcare providers.
White recommends regular testing because an early diagnosis can open the door for effective treatment.
I want them to understand that their health matters, and even though they do not have symptoms, even though they think that they're okay, there's something that could be lying dormant.
And according to CDC data, STDs are also infecting Americans 55 and older at a shocking rate. So medical professionals really encouraging regular screening, especially with those high numbers right here in Hillsborough County. Haley, testing for STDs is often a blood test or a urine sample, and antibiotics can often be used as treatment.
All right, gotta be extra careful out there. All right, Ariel Placencia reporting tonight. Ariel, thank you.